Hello friends, I'm Dr. Shachi Joshi, a retina specialist from Surya Eye. Today we are going to talk about an unusual and under-discussed topic known as retinopathy of prematurity. As the name suggests, it's a disease of the retina which happens to premature babies. Premature babies have abnormal blood vessels which develop in their eye, leading to sometimes bleeding inside the eye, some scars can happen, and ultimately it can lead to blindness. The risk factors are low birth weight babies, which are admitted in the NICU for oxygen therapy, or some other diseases which the babies face because of low birth weight, like infections, heart diseases, etc. So the babies who are at highest risk of developing retinopathy of prematurity are babies who are born before 31 weeks of gestation or whose birth weight is less than 1.5 kgs. What basically happens is the abnormal blood vessels inside the retina, they cause bleeding and they cause a pull on the retina, causing retina to detach and can cause permanent blindness if unnoticed. Early on, as you can understand, babies do not say anything, so it can often go undiagnosed and there can be no signs and symptoms. In the late stages, because of advanced disease, we can see a white reflex along the eye or the pupil of the baby. That is a late stage of retinal detachment. But things are not always this bleak. We can definitely treat the babies if diagnosed on time. If there is a baby who is prematurely born, it should be subjected to retinal screening by a retina specialist or a pediatric specialist. The treatment options include sometimes observation, there are anti-VEGF injections, or retinal laser photocoagulation can be done to save the baby's eye. In advanced cases, even surgery is an option to save eyesight. So, if you know anyone who has a baby who is born very early on, has a low birth weight, or is having diseases or problems and admitted in the ICU, please advise them to consult their eye specialist for a screening of retinopathy of prematurity. Thank you.